we could see if we had, but...
I use Premiere because it's basically multi-format agnostic. Anything that you want to put it in, it will play it out in real time.
Adobe Premiere was built for scratch. With filmmakers, it seemed like the perfect choice for us.
That speed of finding multiple edits that weren't necessarily in the project that you had at the same time, that's something that Adobe aggressively chased for us. And now we're able to do that with much more efficiency.
This is a company that has a unique understanding of what it is to be able to offer an end-to-end solution.
One thing that I like about Adobe Premium is the fact that how integrated it is.
Those feature sets continue to improve, and Premiere especially, for example, right?
For the most part, we tapped a lot of it in Premiere. We couldn't have made this movie otherwise.
There's a lot of people that I talk to now, and they're like, what do you edit on? And I say Premiere, and they're like, yeah, that's what I use.
We didn't want to deal with proxy files or low-res files. We worked with the actual native footage.
I don't have a team. I'm just hiking around editing by myself, and it's exhausting, but it's the most fun I've ever had.
Future filmmaking, in my view, is art. And the art is basically so improved by the ability for young filmmakers to take tools like Adobe Premiere. And if you have access to tools that allow you to do it yourself, you will make better filmmakers.